Good morning, everybody. My name is William Escalante. I'm the bar manager, lead bartender at the Bygones restaurant. We sit on top of the Four Seasons Hotel here in Harbor East, Baltimore, Maryland. We opened about 4 months ago, and we are a turn-of-the-century restaurant, bar lounge, Great Gatsby themed. We specialize in classic cocktails, and today we're going to do one of my favorite classics, the official cocktail of New Orleans as of 2008, the Sazerac. So the Sazerac cocktail has been around since the 1850s. Do a little bit of sugar. It is essentially an old-fashioned style cocktail. Created at the Sazerac Coffee House. Back in the day, it was initially made with cognac. And due to the phylloxera epidemic that hit France and crushed all the vines, in the 1870s when Thomas H. Handy gained ownership of the property, it switched over to rye whiskey. So we're using Sazerac rye 6-year for this particular cocktail. A more contemporary version of the Sazerac, of course. The last ingredient I added was pink shot bitters. Shot bitters have been around since the late 1800s as well. An apothecary named Antoine Pichat created them, and they were the classic bitters used for this particular cocktail also. So since it's a spirit cocktail, old-fashioned style, we're going to stir it as opposed to shake it. Traditionally, it takes an absinthe rinse. In this case, we did an absinthe glaze. I find that by flaming the absinthe, you caramelize the liqueur, and it just creates a stronger aroma as you drink the cocktail. Last but not least, the quintessential lemon peel. Hope to see everyone at the Bygones Restaurant Lounge soon. Enjoy.